let's talk about why dash cams are so important, which we had mentioned, a couple times already. And one of the big things,
Yeah.
Thanksgiving is Thursday, Black Friday, Small Business Saturday, Cyber Monday. But you know what? I've been seeing Black Friday deals all November long. And so you need to get a dash camera if you haven't already. Get one. We have links in the description for ones that we like and use, whether it's cloud-based like Display Ride, which is a great camera. There's also storage-based, which is the Van True and VFO and quite a few other ones. So definitely get something. They're all on sale right now. It's great. If you don't have one, get one. You need one. I don't want to hear the excuse, I can't, I don't have one or whatnot. And then save the receipts and take it to your tax advisor when you're doing your taxes for 2024.
Yeah, I don't know. The story is not clear on this. The only thing that clear is she jumped out of an Uber, and a couple of cars behind the Uber. That's the Uber driver's car. He pulled over and waited for the authorities to show up, actually. So I'm assuming she was a little high on some shit or whatever, and she just jumped out, right? Otherwise, why? If the Uber driver doing something bad, why would he pull over, wait for the authorities? The other thing, Chris, is that she got run over by the traffic behind the Uber car, right?
Yeah, I mean,
And the
the Long
sad
Island
thing
Expressway
is,
in Queens is going to have a ton of traffic on it.
yeah,
Um,
and the sad part is, Chris, the one that hit her and killed her kept driving, drove away. So you have a hit and run in your hands just about here now. Okay.
Oof.
I don't know. And why am I attaching this to dash cam? Okay, if this driver doesn't have a dash cam, her family comes and sues his ass, saying that you did something to her. That's why, she jumped out of the car. You were threatening her, whatever. You have zero evidence, Chris. How do you protect yourself if you don't have a dash cam? Number one. Number two, that a-hole who ran over the poor woman, assuming, and kept going. If this driver had a dash cam, it would be all in there, pretty much.
Yep.
So, look, man, if you're driving 10 hours or if you're driving
if you have a
110 hours,
3-channel dash camera,
yeah, but
it might not catch on the rear, especially being at 1:30 in the morning. It's dark. I mean, I don't know how much. I haven't been in there in a while. I don't know how the street lights are.
What I'm saying is that
on the LIE.
I'm not saying it would have captured the accident or the car running over, but the car kept going, and you have the front-facing camera, right? It would have caught you what kind of car it was, and
yeah, but the problem is, but again, you can't really, because if it happened behind you and the car a car went like this and shook up and down, because you're running somebody over. Again, if you're just showing it from the front, you can't tell that was the car that was behind. It would be very difficult to do something like that. So that's why 3-channel dash cameras are even better, because you're getting that camera going right out the back, so you can actually see that, track it, and go from there. But either way, very unfortunate story. And because this published in November 23rd, they won't have a toxicology report probably for a little bit, to see if she was on something or something. Because if the toxicology report comes back negative and nothing, now you have to re-question the driver on what's going on. If she felt unsafe, I mean, whatever. I mean, seriously though, jumping out in the middle of the highway, ooh.
Yeah, man. I mean, look, the driver will be under scrutiny, obviously, right? I mean, and they're going to ask him, and then if he didn't have a dash cam, maybe she was acting all crazy before she jumped out. It would be all the proof, even for her family, right? It would be all the proof that she was already going nuts in the car. I have it on dash cam or whatever. From the moment she got in the car, she was distraught. Maybe she had a phone call with somebody or broke up from her husband, boyfriend, whatever. You have no evidence of why this woman jumped out of the car. Nobody will know. You know what I mean? And with the dash cam, you would have all that evidence. It's good for her family, for closure as well. And it's a sad story, but this is one of the reasons you guys need to have a dash cam. You drive 10 hours, 110 hours, do 10 trips a week, 110 trips a week. You got to have a dash cam. Got to have a dash cam. So
absolutely. Again, being that There's so many deals going on right now. There's no reason not to get one. So please get one. Like I say, links are in the description for what we recommend. There's several other ones out there. But you want something that is going to be at least a dual channel dash camera. So something that's forward facing, something that's interior facing inside the cabin. 3-channel cameras are great as well too, because like I say, you're going to get what's going out back the car with that 2-channel in the front, going forward facing and interior. So definitely get something. You need it. There's no way you can't have it at this point. You just need it, essentially.
Yeah, I agree.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.